The US Energy Information Administration predicts that world energy consumption will increase 56% by 2040. Now more than ever, there is a need for renewable energy. Traditional wind turbines require many materials, are costly, and generate noise and visual obstructions that disturb people living nearby. It has been said that there is enough energy in high-altitude winds to power civilization 100 times over. This graph shows that winds close to the ground are much smaller than those at high altitude. Wind turbines continue to grow in size to reach higher altitudes, but this requires more resources for production and transport. However, there is another way to harness the Earth's wind energy. The answer to this problem are airborne wind turbines. Unlike conventional wind turbines with similar designs, airborne wind turbines are currently being developed using many different designs. So how does an airborne wind turbine work? In one design approach, the aircraft simulates the tip of a wind turbine blade. After taking off using its rotors as propellers, the aircraft starts spinning and produces electricity as air moves past the rotors, reaching its power rating of 600 kilowatts at slightly lower wind speeds than a comparable conventional wind turbine. Airborne wind turbines make use of higher altitude winds to create green energy. They take advantage of both higher wind speeds and steadier winds. These winds are available in more parts of the world as seen on this graph. Capacity factors of 50 to 65% make airborne wind turbines favorable to conventional wind turbines, which only reach 20 to 25%. At the same time, they use 90% less materials. Do you think the extra initial cost is worth the investment?
At the current point in time, they are still in the development phase. The prototype turbines produce very small amounts of energy in the order of just 30 kilowatts. But if some designs are successful, they can actually get much cheaper than traditional wind turbines because they use less materials. A peer-reviewed paper suggests that some airborne wind turbines could produce energy 10 times cheaper than conventional turbines.
If the technology has so many advantages, why is it not in use yet?
We are facing unknown regulations, high costs, and the upscaling from a prototype to large commercial versions is extremely difficult, but the largest problem is reliability. The turbines have to stay in the air autonomously for a long time without much required maintenance to be economically feasible. Also, they will need to sense their operational environment and adapt without any human interactions.
High-altitude winds are one of the largest untapped renewable resources in the world. But without strong government support, installing even 1 gigawatt of airborne power could take 20 years.